Oh, hey, thanks for stopping by. There you are. It's good to see you today. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what this little robot is up to. It's called Deep Rename. It's kind of in the name. Recursively renaming files, folders, and contents within files that make sense to do so. Let's say you start with a folder that you want to work with. So we have this replace Bob with Jane. And we have Bob littered throughout folder names, file content, and we see the three variations that we go after, right? Nice little test block. So we come back here and run the executable from the zip folder, however you've placed that. And if you put your deep rename.zip next to your executable and go ahead and run that, then we'll do Bob and Bob and Jane. A couple things have happened. So first, the file contents, the file names, and the folder contents were all worked through. A WinMerge, if you have it installed on your machine in default locations, popped up to give us an opportunity to look at file content changes only. So here we see Bob became Nancy, and the folders and file names are not changed. That way WinMerge can help make sense of the file content level changes. And if you wanted to do that a different way, the result of running that executable is a rename file contents only, so you could do that just file level comparison, and then the deep renamed outcomes. So if we look at the result here, we saw Bob became Nancy, Bob became Nancy, Bob became Nancy, and if we even look at the test, Bob became Nancy, 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 honoring case sensitivity, but also looking for those three patterns. High five. I hope that was useful. A few other things you'll find, I guess, laying around before we leave is the rename report. All these things will probably get a little bit better, not a lot better. But if we look at the files that were renamed, we at least have, maybe if we want to turn this into a table, now you can see what kind of file extensions, what files themselves from what folders were reworked, and might grow from there. But high five. Hope that was useful. Have a beautiful day, and catch you next time, man. Cheers.